This dragon fruit smoothie is so incredibly healthy and very easy to make. I'm Justin from Cooking with Coit. I specialize in clean comfort cooking. And if you love this video, make sure you hit those like and subscribe buttons. Let's get started. All right, guys, let me show you all the ingredients you need to make this recipe. First, we have oat milk. You could also use almond milk too. Dragon fruit, banana, raspberries, blueberries, and some lime juice. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is dump our dragon fruit into the blender. If you guys have never made anything with dragon fruit is this really healthy fruit. It's got a lot of fiber in it. It's actually very low on sugar. It's not super sweet, and it's just a really beautiful fruit to make a smoothie with. Next thing we're gonna do is add a half a cup of blueberries. Oh guys, one thing I forgot to just tell you about the dragon fruit and these blueberries is that I bought them frozen. I couldn't find fresh dragon fruit in my store. I literally found it there 3 weeks ago when I was developing this recipe, and of course, yesterday, when I went back to get a fresh dragon fruit, there was none left. So I bought frozen. It's totally fine to use frozen fruits in smoothies. It's actually quite nice and convenient because the fruit never goes bad in your refrigerator, and if it's always frozen, it's just there for you, ready whenever you need it. Next thing we're gonna do is add a half a cup of frozen raspberries into the blender. We're gonna add 1 whole banana, and make sure the banana is ripe. You definitely don't wanna use an underripe banana. Now we're gonna add 1 cup of milk, and you guys really can use any milk that you wanna use. I usually use almond or oat, and today I have oat milk in my fridge, so that's what I'm gonna use. So here's 1 cup. And now is time for actually the secret ingredient. This is like the hero ingredient that you wouldn't even think about. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of lime juice. And lime in this recipe has such an interesting role because it really, I don't know what exactly lime does with the sweetness of fruit, but it just like really brings out all the flavors and makes it feel so much more fresh. So we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of lime juice. If you guys aren't a fan of lime or lemon juice, that's totally fine, you can skip it. But if you like lime, you're really gonna love it in this smoothie. All right, so now all we have to do is give everything a blend. This is my favorite part about a dragon fruit smoothie. Check out this color. It is so incredible. Aman, come get a shot of how beautiful that looks. I don't think we've ever seen a red that looks just like this. It is so incredible. All right. Whoa, look at this color. It looks so beautiful. Aman, get a shot of that. Look at that red color. All right, I cannot wait to give this dragon fruit smoothie a taste, but before I do, if you love this recipe and you wanna see more just like it, check out my healthy recipes playlist. Okay, let's give this a taste. Man, I love this dragon fruit smoothie so much. It's such a healthy fruit and it's not overly sweet. Guys, you've gotta try this smoothie. I know you're gonna love it. I'll see you in the next video.